for hospital teams everywhere, these are uncertain and stressful times. So it is vital your equipment is patient-ready and performing optimally. For the frontline doctors and nurses dedicated to delivering what matters most: quality patient care. Supporting them behind the scenes are dedicated professionals working tirelessly to enable the best possible outcome so that procedures can go ahead as planned. And beyond what you see, your INFOCUS team. Passionate experts who know you and your equipment best. Fully focused on reducing the stress that can hold your staff back, and committed to partnering with you to predict and prevent the unexpected. With personalized service reviews, powered by data-driven insights, for smoother, reliable clinical workflows with less disruptive surprises. And beyond them, ready for when the unavoidable happens, over 850 expertly trained Olympus technicians, each with a unique understanding of what makes your Olympus device special, and a safe set of hands focused on quality so your Olympus device can perform as expected in the hands of your skilled clinicians. Clinicians who can be confident it's only ever been serviced to original design using genuine Olympus parts. With the peace of mind an INFOCUS contract brings, you can truly focus on what matters most: your patients. Discover why life is better in focus.